G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here, excitedly unboxing the HFK motorcycle dash cam. It has front and rear 2K dual motorcycle cameras, a massive 3-inch display screen, GPS navigation, 5G Wi-Fi, it's waterproof, has a tyre pressure monitor and 256 gigabytes of storage. This is it, the HM702. Looks innocent now, but tomorrow this thing will be covered in mud, dust, and a lot of my sweat. Ah yes, that classic unboxing moment, where you hold in your hands a serious bit of kit. And the camera, shiny, sleek, and probably smarter than me. Well, I have to say, the packaging is very impressive, and I cannot wait to get this installed on my bike as soon as possible. Everything was clearly marked and laid out, and the unit looked like it had enough wires to rewire the space shuttle, or at least a 1980s stereo system. Nothing says professional like me sticking expensive electronics to a motorcycle with the precision of a drunk carpenter. Because if this thing survives my wiring skills, you know it's built tough. And thanks to the wonderful folks at HFK, their clear and easy to follow instructions had me booting this baby up in no time. I followed the HFK mounting instructions for my 2 video cameras to a T. But in hindsight, maybe I should have tested these mounts before hitting the bumpiest trails in New South Wales. You see, the Real Shakedown was a 2-day adventure with an overnight stay. And when you've only got 1 day to set up all this tech, it's less relaxing adventure and more pit crew at Le Mans. Everybody knows adventure prep is basically a game of Tetris. But like I said before, hindsight's a wonderful thing if only the cameras had it too. Because the camera mounted to my front fender was looking up a little too high. Plus I didn't allow for so much fender shake. So hang on tight, this footage might need a seat belt. Now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty, because the HM702 motorcycle dash cam has GPS plus 2-channel shooting. Not only does this thing know exactly where you are, it records both front and rear. So every overtake, every wild moment gets captured from both sides of the story. Want to know if it's boiling hot or freezing cold? This dash cam's monitoring it, along with air pressure and altitude, like a mini fighter jet computer strapped to your handlebars. I mean, it does have 7 main host screen interfaces after all. And when you finish your ride or a sneaky drag race down the straight, you can beam your footage straight to your phone in seconds, no waiting around. Lost? The compass has your back. Worried about storage? Loop recording makes sure you never miss the action. It just keeps rolling. No drama. The HM702 actually surprised me. It handled the bumps, the dust, and even a full crash like a champ. This is what you call controlled chaos. It's purely for science. And it proves these cameras are tough as nails, but with better stabilisation, they could become the go-to setup for riders who want to document epic rides. With a 150-degree wide angle and an f1.9 aperture, this 6-piece combo lens grabs light and detail like an eagle's eye. Even in low light, it delivers. And when the sun goes down, that's when this dash cam really shows off. Starlight night vision makes your midnight rides look crisp, clear, and cinematic. So yeah, GPS, Wi-Fi, drag racing stats, night vision. It's basically a gadget-packed black box for your bike. And the only thing it doesn't do is make you a cup of coffee. But all jokes aside, I found the HFK motorcycle dash cam to be a fantastic product. And once I reposition my cameras to reduce camera shake, well, just imagine catching all the YouTube action and never having to worry about, is my camera on or off? Never having to worry about, am I going to run out of battery? It sounds too good to be true, and yet here it is. So I hope you've all enjoyed my review of the HFK motorcycle dash cam, and I can't wait to share more of the action with these two cameras in my upcoming YouTube videos. I'm artist Wayne Dowsett, and thanks for watching everyone.